Good morning, students. Today I will tell you about the if else use. Actually, not is the if else use, it is the multiple if else use. How we can use the multiple if else in this video I will tell you, and it will help us to make this mark sheet of our class. Suppose here the name of the students, here the class, and here is the Hindi subject, and marks are given by the students. Here it is the English subjects, marks are given by the students. Maths, science, social science, and computer. So now there are the every paper have 100 out of 100 marks, and they have gotten out of 185 marks in out of 100. Now in this total marks I am going to tell you about the finding the sum. So of course I am selecting this total, and now click on the auto sum. You can see here it has automatically summed all the number. Of course now I am going to convert in the percentage. How we can calculate the percentage? So for that purpose we have to know the out of total marks is equal to this marks multiply with 100 and divide by 600. So you can see here I have already gotten all the percentage number. Now dear student, the main theme is if else use. So you can see here there is a criteria. If the students got greater than or equal to 33%, then he will get the third division, and if greater than or equal to 45, he will get the second division, and greater than or equal to 60, he will get the first division, and greater than or equal to 75, he will pass the with honor. So how we can apply this formula into this percentage? So let us know about it. Now I am applying if and press tab. It will automatically included the bracket. Now select this, or you can also directly write what K2 is greater than or equal to 33, greater than or equal to 75. So now passed with honor. Again, if K2 is greater than or equal to 60, comma, then double endo comma, first division. Again comma, if K2 is greater than or equal to 45, then second division. Comma, if K2 is greater than or equal to 33, it will print third division, comma, otherwise क्या हो, otherwise else condition में fail. And now students, I want to tell you we have to close the bracket also. So how many time we should close the bracket? We are just knowing about it. When तब तक हम इसको ब्रैकेट वो बंद करेंगे जब तक ये ब्रैकेट ब्लैक कलर का ना इंक्लूड हो. जैसे अभी देखा आपने ब्राउन कलर का हुआ, ग्रीन कलर का हुआ, ना ये ब्रैकेट ब्लैक हो गया. अब हमें क्लिक किया, अब आप देख सकते हो ये फार्मूला अप्लाई हो गया है। So dear students, you had seen this formula is applied for all this number. Just this student have gotten a 43% marks, so there is a third division, and it is the less than 60% marks, so it is the second division, and now it is a 50 less than 60% marks. This is the second division, and all the rest is the pass with the honor, because they are getting a more than 75%. Now this same formula I am going to tell you about the another way. Suppose it's greater than or equal to 33 and less than 45%, so he will get the third division. And greater than or equal to 45% and less than or equal to 60%, so it's get a second division. And if greater than or equal to 60% and less than 75%, so he will get the first division. And greater than or equal to 75% and less than 100%, he will got pass with honor. Otherwise he will fail. So how we can apply this formula? For this we are going to write here is equal to if and, because we are going to multiple criteria here, we are going to apply the multiple criteria, so that's why we have going to just write K2 is greater than or equal to 33 comma K2 less than 45 and comma right here third division, again comma if and K2 is greater than or equal to so now K2 is greater than or equal to 45% comma K2 is less than 60%, then comma double second division sorry, again comma if and K2 is greater than or equal to 60% comma and sorry K2 is less than 75%, then first division, again if and K2 is greater than or equal to 75% and K2 less than 100%, less than or equal to 100%, comma pass with honor, otherwise इस कंडीशन में फेल. एंड नाउ अगेन इसमें भी हम वही काम करेंगे, ब्रैकेट तब तक नहीं बंद करेंगे जब तक कि ब्रैकेट का कलर ब्लैक ना हो जाए. तो चलिए इसमें देखते हैं. दिस इज द ब्राउन, ग्रीन and now this is black. Enter. You can see here this is the pass. The same result is here, third division, second division, and the second division. Whatever we are getting the previous result, this result is also same. Now dear students, I just want to show you if this Anjay Singh if getting a poor marks. So suppose I am going to write here 32, 15 marks, 10 marks, 5 marks, and 7 marks, and now 4 marks. You can see here he getting the 12.17%, and now it is just failed. So all our formula is working properly. I hope you had understood the real use of the multiple if and else in the both condition. If we are going to write a multiple criteria, so in this condition we can apply the multiple criteria if and function, and if we have a just single criteria, so in this condition we are applying if multiple if else. So try to understand if else use, and if you are getting any problem, you are welcome to ask to me. Okay, thank you very much.